Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to check which graphic card you have installed in your Windows or a system. So how can check it? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. In this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to check it. So the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. First of all, click on a display, and after doing this tab, click on a advanced display. Click on display adapter properties for display. Now you can see that this is a graphic card which is installed in your PC. The second method is that for check it, right click on a start menu, go to your device manager. Click on a display adapter and expand it, and now you can see that this is the graphic driver which is installed in your PC and installed in your system. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.